Bag for storing, carrying, and protecting camera equipment. Includes a large DSLR gadget bag made of thick, durable black polyester with orange interior. Slot for iPad mini, Google Nexus 7, Amazon Kindle Fire. Multiple interior compartments and exterior zipper pockets for easy organizing. Zipper and reliable plastic clasps ensure secure closure. Top carrying handles and adjustable shoulder strap for comfortable transport. Product dimensions: 12.75 x 8 by 9.75 inches, LxWxH. Top reviews from the United States. An excellent camera bag with an awesome storage capacity. I have easily fitted 3 zooms and 1 prime lens, with one of the telephoto lenses being attached to the camera body. I'll supply the lens brands and types to give you an idea about the capacity of this bag. 1 Tamron 16 to 300 mm super zoom, 1 Sigma 24 to 70 mm SONY A7RIV lens, 1 SONY 50 mm E-mount lens, and 1 Sigma 28 to 200 mm A-mount lens, which is attached with an adapter to SONY A7RIV camera. I won't bother to mention all the other paraphernalia that I fitted into the conveniently provided pockets and slots. To top it all, it doesn't feel heavy and awkward to carry. You won't regret it if you purchase this bag.